mean? What are you doing?
I am clean the house.
Do you mean you are clean?
I am clean the table, the chair. See?
I'm confused. I wish I understood.
Wish? I heard a grammar wish.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I am the grammar fairy. I am here to make your grammar wish come true. You say, I am clean the house. That sounds a little strange. In English, we add ing when something is happening now. So, you should say, I am cleaning the house.
I am cleaning the house.
Correct. But if you say, I am clean, it means your body is clean, not dirty. So, you can say, I am clean, but my house is not.
I am clean, but my house is not.
Hey, Grammar Fairy, I have a wish. Can you make this house clean?
I don't do cleaning wishes, just grammar wishes. Got to go.
Do you think Grammar Fairy's house is clean or messy?
I think it's messy.
I think so too.